Welcome back to another Aerodrome's update. So first of all, as you can see here, in the previous week it did actually do a pretty good. It went from 69 cent to as high as 77 cent, so that is a pretty good, I think, movement. But again, we are back to 70 cents, so it seems like the BTC did not help Aerodrome that much. So first of all, let's look at latest news and what is happening or what happened this week with Aerodrome. So first of all, we have, I think, a pretty big super fast rewards on Aerodrome coming up. So basically, Optimism is introducing super fast, and that is going to be Super Chain DeFi festival, and there will be a lot of rewards to get on the Aerodrome. So more trails coming in soon, so I think that may actually increase the Aerodrome's user, so that is going to be, I think, pretty bullish for Aerodrome. Beside that, as you can see here, use Aerodrome on Rainbow.me to get free ETH, so that's pretty good. So the Rainbow, I think, is an app that is the fun and simple and secure way to explore Web3, NFT and Ethereum. So basically, if a user uses Aerodrome using their app, they will earn ETH, so that's pretty good. Beside that, another big launch for Aerodrome, so Mega Meme Coin, or it is a pretty big meme coin that just launched on Aerodrome, so that's pretty good. So Trump is getting a lot of attraction and it just launched on Aerodrome. Aerodrome enables low swap fees and expected higher LP rewards for the largest Trump community on the base. So I think that is pretty bullish for Aerodrome because it's a meme season, and it is also, I think, we have presidential, I think there is a lot of hype around this one, so I think that is going to be pretty good. Besides that, we also have other new launches. So they have Ionic coming up again, that's pretty good. They also have USD, GL or USD, so the stable coin that funds public goods, so that's pretty good, I think. They have also Frex Finance, FRX ETH coming up on their Aerodrome as well, so I think that's pretty good for Aerodrome. Another thing is that this is not very bullish because if you just look here in Epoch 42, Aerodrome had a lot of volume. They did surpass over 1.5 billion, but in the Epoch 43 they barely hit, I think, Epoch 41's volume. So of course it's pretty good. That means we do have consistent users, but still it's not groundbreaking like in Epoch 42. After that, as you can see here, we have USDC's stats on Aerodrome. So if you just look here, there are over 150 million USD held in liquidity pool, so that is a lot. 15 million for partner incentives. We have 71 million distributed to USD pair, so that is a lot. Trading fee has been pretty good, I think. We also have cumulative trading volume around 6.3 billion, so that is a lot. And 50 plus USD payers receive Aero emissions as well, so that's pretty good, I think. So beside that, we do have I think some stats about VE Aero voters growth. As you can see, over 15k VE Aero locks and climbing users and protocols are locking their Aero to share Aerodrome's epochal total rewards, fees plus incentives. So that means these are the numbers that shows that we have more and more Aero token being locked, so that is pretty awesome. As you can see, of course the growth has not been that impressive because if you just look here in Epoch 30 we had around, I think, just over 10k, and in Epoch 44 we have seen 5k new users coming up, so that is not a lot, but still I think that is pretty good for the Aero in general. So beside that, their top VE Aero holders are actually protocol. So we have the first one is Millennium Club. After that we have Inverse Finance, so that is they do have a coin as well. We also have Moonwell DeFi. We also have Tarot Finance. We also have Reserve Protocol. So Reserve is a pretty big one, so I think that's pretty good. So after that we have Aerodrome volume dominance on base. As you can see here, Aerodrome's slipstream volume continues to increase against Uniswap version 3. So they are they are actually beating Uniswap, so that's pretty awesome. And beside that, we don't have anything particularly going on, so I think overall that's pretty good. So now let's look at Aerodrome stats and see what is happening here. So first of all, let's look at the base and what is happening with the base. As you can see here, as of now, the base TVL overall is in the consolidation. As you can see here, we are down from 1.7 billion to I think 1.5. As you can see, I think we'll continue to go up after this one, because if you look here, base finally overtook blast, so that's pretty awesome, I think. And if you just look here, we don't have that much, I think, change in the 7 days, so that's pretty good. So as of now, Uniswap is going down, but Aerodrome is still sitting on the same spot as it was the last week, so that's pretty good, I think. It has lost quite a bit in 30 days, but I think overall it's pretty good for them. And I think you just look here, they have actually stopped going down, so that's pretty good, and I think they will most likely go up from here. So I think overall that's pretty good. So if you just look at the developer commits in just a second, so there have been pretty good commits, as you can see, around so we don't have any this week anyway. So let's move to the users. So these are the active users on various dexes, as you can see. So the first one is obviously Uniswap, and it is available on 20 or 19 chains, so that is given. And if you look at the Aerodrome, it has around 163 monthly users, so that's pretty good, I think. Overall, it is going head to head against Trader Joe, which is the biggest one on Avalanche. Still, that's, I think, pretty good. Still, it is impressive that Ronin Dex has a lot of users, as you can see. So this is the Ronin Dex Katana, so that's pretty good, I think, for them. Anyways, so let's look at some of the Aerodrome's stats. So they have actually lost quite a bit, but as you can see here, the fees have gone up, so that's pretty good. And if you just look here, we do have users going down in a weekly, so that is not good, as you can see. So they are down around 19%, so that is not good, I think, overall. Anyways, looking at more of their stats, as you can see here, the volume did go down last week. So as of now, we are around, I think we are around somewhere 400 million as of now, and this epoch will end on July 4th, so I think we'll probably hit a new high, it seems like, because it is actually increasing pretty fast, as you can see here. So I think that's pretty good for the Aerodrome. And beside that, we did have, I think, more Aero Coin locked in epoch 42 or 41 but in epoch 43 we did not have that many, as you can see, only 1.4 million, so that is not a lot, I think. Beside that, everything is looking good so far, but let's look at the last section, which is price analysis, and see what is happening. So this is the price, and it looks messy. I'll just delete everything and start over. So first of all, as of now, as you may already know, the BTC is not doing that well, and that is one of the biggest reason why AERO is going down. But I think if it does, as of now, it does have a pretty good support around around 65 cents, and the best support, I think, that it will most likely try to retest or even test, I think, is this one, which is most likely around, I think, 62 to 60 cents is a pretty good support, and I think it will most likely touch and go up from here. And if you just look here, AERO has been struggling to actually go above 50 days moving average, so I think that is the resistance that it has been testing recently. As you can see, it did try to go up again, it rejected here, again it did try to break out, but again rejected, is coming down. I think the best entry for the AERO as of now it looks like it's around 65 to 60 62 to 60 cent, and I think this is most likely another bounce back point which we are looking at. And as of now, if we do look at Aero and try to analyze where it will actually go up from here, I think we need to break this downtrend which is happening in a daily chart. So if you just look here, Aero still continues to go down from here, and it has been struggling to break out from this downtrend. Just a second, I think we have to look here. So it has been actually struggling a bit to actually break out from here, and I think we have to see a pretty good breakout. It did try to break out, but still it's not that big. I think we again need to retest somewhere around 60 to 62 cent and then again try to go up. And I think as of now, overall the base is looking good, and I think once we see another TVL coming up on the base, I think the Aero will most likely pump. But as of now, as you may already know, overall crypto market is down, so we may need some kind of news to actually pump the Aero coin. So let's see what happens. Anyways, this was the video and this was the update. I hope you liked it. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.